G'day, my name's Adam from Australian Wind and Solar, and in this video we're going to show you the operation and the de-energisation of the Sunny Island from SMA. Over here we have our AC on and off button. So this turns off the AC portion of the inverter and will turn off the power supply to the property. So in turning off, we hold this button down for about 5 seconds and we'll hear a beep and the power to the property will turn off. This light will turn amber. This light here represents the AC mode. If it's green, it's on. If it's amber, that means that the AC is in standby. And if it's red, there's a fault. Over here represents the generator supply. At the moment, the generator supply is off. If the generator starts, this will turn amber. When a generator is synchronized and delivering power, this will turn green. If it is red, then the generator is on, but the supply frequency is too high or low, or the supply voltage is too high or low. And in that case, it may flick to green and flick back to red, and flick to green and flick back to red. So when the generator is on, it will turn amber, and when it's delivering power to the site or batteries, it will be green. This light here is simply indicating that the DC side of the inverter is on. So that unlike the AC side, which is it's the same button for turning off and on, the DC side actually has an off button and an on button, and doesn't need you don't need to hold the button down as long as the AC, only a couple of seconds. So to turn the system completely off, the first step is the AC, long press until power turns off, and this light will turn amber. And then a 3-second press of the DC off, all lights will be off. Turning back on, there are two situations where you'll turn back on. If there are lights on the Sunny Island, that means that the DC is already on and it's only the AC that needs to be re-energized. So you may find that this is amber and so that means you have lights, but the AC light's amber. So a long press of the AC button and power will come back on and this will turn green. If there are no lights on the Sunny Island, then the first step is to hold the DC on button for about 3 seconds and the system will light up. Wait approximately 30 seconds and you'll find that this light will either be amber or green. That won't matter. This top light will be amber. So after that 30-second wait, hold the AC on button for about 10 seconds or until you hear the beep, and the power will resume and this light will turn green. Regarding this bottom light, this is simply a battery status light. Green means the batteries are more than 50% full. Amber means the batteries are less than 50% full. It's only a simple indicator, but you'll most likely be referring to your SRC20 or your online portal. But as a simple guide, that's why that light turns green or amber. It's not an issue if it's green or amber. If it is off, then it is more than likely that the entire system is off. So just to reiterate, no lights means the system is totally off. A 3-second press of the DC on button, you will have system lights. Power light will be amber. Wait approximately 30 seconds. Long press of the AC on button and the AC light will turn green and power has resumed. Shutting down, long press of the AC button and system light will turn amber. 3-second press of the DC off button and the system is totally shut down. Generator amber light means the generator is on but is not synchronized and not delivering power yet. When it turns green, the generator is synchronized and delivering power. When it is red, the generator is not in tolerance. The frequency is too high or too low, or the voltage is too high or too low. Thank you.